Hi, this is Sinvas Reddy, chemistry lecturer. Today we are discussing about coordination chemistry. What is the coordination chemistry? What is the formation? How much atoms participate in coordination chemistry? This all are discussing today. This coordination chemistry mainly deals with magnetic property and color property and nature of the coordination complex and geometry of the coordination complex. This all are deals with this coordination chemistry. Next, representation of coordination complex. Representation of coordination complex. How will this is representation. Metal atom, one metal atom coordinated with what? X moles of ligands to form MLX complex. In this MLX complex, M means metal. M means metal or metal ion. Next, L means ligand. L means ligands or ligands. Next, X means coordination number of metal or number of ligands. Coordination number of metal or overall what? X means number of ligands. In this, N means charge of the metal surface, metal sphere. What is the sphere? This all are complex sphere. Next, classification of next one is, in this complex formation mainly having metal and ligand. What is the metal ion? What is the ligand? What is the metal ion? Metal ion means which atom or molecules or ions accept the pair of electrons to different atoms are called as what? Metals. Examples of metals: cobalt +3, magnesium +2, aluminium +3, nickel +2, etc. These all are what? Examples of metal ions. What is the ligand? Ligands means which atom or molecules or ions donate the pair of electrons to central metal ion in a complex, that is called as what? Ligands. Examples of ligands: hydrado, hydroxo, sulfato, phenyl. These all are etc. These all are what? Examples of ligands. Next, classification of ligands. Classification of ligands. Classification of ligands based on three ways. That is, first one is based on the charge. Second one is based on donor atoms. Third one is based on nature. Based on nature of that atom. First one is based on the charge. Ligands are classified into three types. First one is negative ligands. Second one is positive ligands. Third one is neutral ligands. Based on the donor atoms, these ligands classified 6 types. First one is monodentate ligand, bidentate ligand, tridentate ligand, tetradentate ligand, pentadentate ligand. Next one is hexadentate ligands. In this, what is the monodentate ligands? Mono means one donor atoms. Dentate means donors. Monodentate ligands. Monodentate ligands means mono means pair of one electrons donate to another atom, that is called as what? Monodentate ligands. Bi means two pair of electrons donate another central metal atom is called as what? Bidentate ligands. Tridentate means three donor atoms. Tetra means 4 donor atoms. Penta means 5 donor atoms. Next hexa means 6 donor atoms donates central metal atom, that is called as what? Hexadentate ligands. Next, based on the nature of atom, these ligands classified into totally again 6 types. First one is ambidentate ligand. Second one is bridged ligands. Third one is chelated ligands. Fourth one is plexidentate ligands. Next, fifth one is pi acceptor ligands. Sixth one is pi bond donor ligands. Totally, this classification of ligands totally based on the charge, based on the donor atoms, based on the nature of ligands. This ligands classification, this one based on the charge, what? Negative ligands, positive ligands, neutral ligands. Based on the donor atom, mono, bi, tri, tetra, penta, hexadentate ligands. Next one is based on the nature of the ligands. These ligands are classified into how many types? 6 types, that is ambidentate, bridged ligands, chelated ligands, plexidentate, and pi acceptor and pi donor atoms. Next one is negative ligands. Carefully observe. Negative ligands end with suffix we are using O. Examples hydrado. Normally this is called as what? Hydrogen ion, but in ligands we are using hydrado. Name is what? Hydrado. End with what? Suffix we are using O. Hydrado. Next example, second example, what? OH minus. OH minus means normally this is called as what? Hydroxide ion, but in this ligands hydroxo we are calling what? Hydroxo end with what? O. Next positive ligands. Positive ligands end with suffix we are using what? IUM. IUM means EM. Examples NO2 plus. NO2 plus means nitronium. Name of this one nitronium. Normally this is called as nitrogen dioxide ion, but in this ligands nitronium we are calling what? Nitronium. Next to hydrozonium N2H5. N2H5 and with what we are using suffix IUM. Next to neutral ligands. Neutral ligands, in this neutral ligands there is no change. Normally we are calling that is in this neutral ligands. Next to based on the classification 1 and classification 2, that is based on the charge and based on the donor atoms, these ligands again classified into different types. That is first one is monodentate negative ligands, monodentate positive ligands, monodentate neutral ligands. Based on the classification of 1 and 2, that is based on nature of based on charge of the ligands, based on donor capacity of ligands, that ligands are classified into different types. That is monodentate negative ligands, monodentate positive ligands and monodentate neutral ligands. In this first classification, monodentate negative ligands. Examples of monodentate negative ligands: in this we are using first name, next formula, representation. What will be we are using representation? Example name, first one is hydrado. Hydrado, formula of this hydrado H minus, representation H. Next hydroxo. Hydroxo, formula of this one OH minus, representation OH. Next one is mercapto. Mercapto, formula of this one what? SH minus, representation SH. Next one is methoxo. Methoxo, end with, carefully observe, end with what? O. Methoxo, formula CH3O minus, representation Me. Next ethoxo. Ethoxo, formula of this one C2H5O minus, representation what? ATO. Next chloro. Chloro, formula of this one Cl minus, representation Cl. Next bromo, Br minus, representation what? Br. Next iodo, formula of iodo I minus, next representation what? I. Some more examples also available. Next one is monodentate positive ligands. Monodentate what? Positive ligands. This monodentate positive ligands, name of first one is hydronium. Hydronium, formula of this one hydronium H3O plus, formula representation H3O plus. Next nitronium. Nitronium formula NO2 plus, representation what? NO2. Next hydrozonium. Hydrozonium formula N2H5, representation what? N2H5. Next these all are examples of what? Bidentate positive ligands. Positive ligands end with what? IUM. Next bidentate neutral ligands. Examples of bidentate neutral ligands. First one is H2O. This is called as aqua. Formula H2. Normally this is called as what? Water, but we are using in this ligand name aqua. Next representation also same, H2O. Next ethylene. Next one is amine NH3. Formula what? NH3. Representation also same, NH3. Next one is carbonyl. Next formula of carbonyl what? CO. Representation what? CO. Next thiocarbonyl. Formula of thiocarbonyl what? CS. Representation also same. Next nitrosyl. Formula of nitrosyl NO. Representation also same, thionitrosyl. Next one is thionitrosyl. Representation NS. Formula also same. Next one is pyridine. Formula C6H5. Next representation what? PH5. This is bidentate neutral ligands. Next one is monodentate. Neutral ligands. Next one is, next example says bidentate negative ligands. Examples of bidentate negative ligands. Bidentate negative ligands. Example sulfato SO4 -2. Sulfato. Formula SO4 -2. Representation also same, SO4 -2. Next one is carbonato. Formula CO3 -2. Formula CO3 -2. Next one is glycinato. Formula CH2 CH NH2 C double bond O minus. In this two donor atoms is present, that's why it is called as what? Bidentate negative ligands. Next one is glycolato. Formula of glycolato CH2CH COO minus OH. This is called as what? Glycolato. These all are examples of what? Bidentate negative ligands. Next one is bidentate neutral ligands. Bidentate neutral ligands. Examples of bidentate neutral ligands. Bidentate neutral ligands. First one is EN, ethylene diamine, ethylene diamine, formula NH2 CH2 CH2 NH2, representation what? En. Next one is propylene diamine, propylene diamine, formula of this propylene diamine CH2 CH CH2 CH3 CH NH2 NH2. This is propylene diamine. Next one is dipyridine, dipyridine. This is formula of dipyridine and this is dipyridine, representation di-pi. This is dipyridine. This is the examples of what? Bidentate neutral ligands.